In this video I'm going to show you how to start upload your own objects into Finch. And as you can see, I have no objects in my object library. So I'm going to go into Rhino, and the first thing I'm going to do is to navigate to the Objects tab. I'm going to click New, and I'm going to type chair. That is my first object. One layer and three sub-layers are generated. The first one, called Object 2D, this is where I'm going to design my chair. Give me a second. So bounds outer, let's start with that one. That indicates the clear floor space that needs to be around different furnitures. The second one, bounds inner, that indicates the object, the space that objects will occupy. I'll simply click sync, and it's getting sent into the Finch web app. Here I have my chair, and I'm ready to use it. I'm going to go into the plan library, create a new plan, and I'm going to show you how it works. So if I add my chair, I'm going to add a copy. I can see my clear floor space bounds here, and if I move this one so it collides with the other chair, I get a warning. If I only have the clear floor space, the outer bounds overlapping, that's fine. As you can see, that works well. But as soon something overlaps, something physical overlaps with the outer or the inner, like this, I get a warning.